Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve not responding on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Then this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will go to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click in this page here. After that you can go to the window of force stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.